ma'am. Welcome to Liberty Hotel. My name is Miss Helen Adriana and I will be your personal butler during your stay. May I assist with your luggage? Yes, please. Thank you. You're most welcome, ma'am. Before I take your luggage, may I confirm if there are any fragile or viable item inside that is required special handling? No, everything is fine. Very well, ma'am. Please allow me to escort you to our front desk. Good afternoon. Welcome to La Verde Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us? Yes, under the name of Miss Santos. Thank you, Miss Santos. May I please see a valid identification card? Thank you. Your reservation has been confirmed. You will be staying in our deluxe team room for 3 nights. Breakfast is included and will be served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here are your room keys. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. This week is ma'am. Allow me to start with your room. While we're on our way, let me introduce some of hotel facility. Our all-dining restaurant is available on ground floor. The fitness center is available from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Our swimming pool is located on 5th floor. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Should you require the restaurant reservations, transportations, laundry, or any special assistance, I will be happy to arrange everything for you. Thank you. It's very helpful. This is your room, ma'am. May I have your room key card to open the door? Welcome to your room, ma'am. Allow me to briefly familiarize you with the room features. This is your room key card, ma'am. The air conditioning control is located beside the window. The television remote is on the bedside table. And the bathroom. And also, this is our bathroom. Include fresh towels, toiletries, slippers, and a bathroom. Room service is available 24 hours through extension 0. And if you need housekeeping, simply dial number 122. If you wish, I can assist you with unpacking your luggage and arranging your garments. Yes, please. Your clothing has been arranged inside the wardrobe. Would you like me to prepare any garment for pressing or laundry service? No, thank you. Very well. May I also prepare a wake-up call, restaurant reservations, airport transportations, tea or coffee service, extra pillow or blanket? I'd like a wake-up call at 6:30 a.m. Certainly. Your wake-up call has been noted from 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. Is there anything else may I assist with you? No, nothing else. It's been my pleasure. Should you need any assistance, please contact me through guest service by dialing 0. Enjoy your stay! Good morning, ma'am. May I come in?
Come in.
I understand you are checking out today. May I assist you in packing your belongings?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, your belongings has been packed. May I escort you to the front desk?
Yes.
Allow me to assist you with your luggage to your vehicle.
Okay.
Please take a moment.
moment to verify that all your belongings has been loaded.
Okay, everything is complete.
Wonderful. Thank you for choosing La Verde Hotel. It has been my pleasure to serve you. We look forward to welcoming you again. Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day.